Can we solve the number series question only by finding the difference? Only by adding or subtracting? Or there are some other logics to it? Want to know? Want to try some more questions? Let's begin then. See, the first number series written here is 4, 8, 12, 16. Yes, we have done it yesterday also, as you have done it like this. There is a difference of 4 in between these numbers. So our answer will be 20, because to continue with the series, there should be a difference of 4 between 60 and the next number, so it can be 20 only. But can you realize that this is a table of 4? 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. So what should be our next number? 4 times 5 is 20. That means we can multiply numbers also to find the next logic. Now, see, when we are writing, this is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are, 4 fours are. That means we are multiplying 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We will continue with the series. Got it? Moving on to the next question. See, this is 70,000. 7,000, 700, 70 only. Now this seems to be a little tougher. But if I find out the difference between 70,000 and 7,000, it will be a big number. If I find out the difference between 7,000 and 700, again it will be a big number. And if I find out 700, difference between 700 and 70, it will be a different number. So in this case, you cannot solve this number series by simply finding the difference. You need to apply some other logic. Now see, one easy method is count the number of zeros. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 3, 2, 1. Now, if I remove 1 zero, it becomes 7,000, which is our next number. If I remove 1 zero, it becomes 700, which is again our next number. If I remove 1 zero, it becomes 70, which is our next number. And now I know you must have found out our answer will be 7, because if I remove again 1 zero, it becomes 7. But what can be the other logic behind this? Yes, you got it. Dividing by 10. If we divide each number by 10, we'll get our answer. And again it will be 7 only. So, yes. Isn't it interesting? Want to find some more logics? Want to learn something new? Hey everyone, this is Gunjan. I welcome you all to my reasoning classes. Let's start our class. Today's topic is number series only, but this is part 2. Today we will have a look at some other rules of the topic. We will be continuing with the same series, but some different rules. But before we go further, let's play a game. A quick game and a magical game. Ready? Shall we start? Okay, now, without wasting any time, let's play this game. Think of a single digit number. Suppose I think 2. And write it 3 times. Written. Add the digits. It will be 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Now divide the 3-digit number, means I have to divide 222 by its sum. That means by 6. If I divide it, what will I get? 6 3s are 18. 6 7s are 42. What? Did I got 37? Try this with any other number in the same pattern and you will always get 37. Try out a different number and enjoy the game. Now, let's start our class. Today we are going to discuss some interesting questions based on the number series only. So are you all ready to find out the logics? Let's go then. First question says 2, 4, 8, 16. Suppose right now also you forget to multiply. Okay, we will again find the difference. Difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 4 and 8 is 4. 8 and 16 is 8. Now can you see the difference is not same, but they also do follow a pattern. Each and every number whenever I proceeding is multiplied by 2, which can be seen in the question also. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So that means our next number will be 16 twos are. Here in this question, every number is multiplied by 2. Whatever the answer we are getting is being multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Similarly, our answer will be 16 multiplied by 2, which is 32. Got it? Let's try out another one then. Do you know the table of 9? Okay, let's find out then. 9, 18, 36, 72. This is not the table of 9. It is actually starting from 9 but not the table of 9. Let's find out the logic. Where does 18 comes in the table of 9? Twos are. Yes. Do you know the table of 18? If no, please have a look at. 18 twos are is 36. I'm getting the logic. If I multiply 36 by 2, I'll get what? 72. So that means our logic is we'll get the next number only if we multiply it by 2. So let's multiply 72 by 2. It will be 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. What will be our answer? 144. Got it? Let's move ahead. So many 5s and 0s. Chalo, try out next question. 5, 50, 500, 5000, 50,000. Can you see here 5 is constant but the number of zeros are increasing. Starting with the first number we don't have any zero, but in 50 we have 1 0. Then in 500 we have again 1 zeros. So what can be the logic here is 5 is multiplied by 10 in order to get 50. If I multiply 50 by 10, I'll get 500. Continuing the same, 500 when multiplied will give us 5,000. 5,000 multiplied by 10 will give us 50,000. So what will be our answer? If we need to find out our answer, we need to multiply 50,000 by 10, which will give us our answer as a 5 and how many zeros? 5 zeros. Or we can say we get the answer as 5 lakhs. Got it? Okay, now next question. 120, 240, 360, 480. Suppose if I remove zeros, can you guess? This is a 12 table. Yes, this is the table of a 12. So in order to find out our answer, we have to write 0 at the end, and let's check out. 12 ones are is 12. 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. What will be 12 fives are? 60. So our answer will be 600. Or you can also find out the difference. You can also find out the difference. It will be 120. So what I want to say here is we don't have just one logic for one question. We can have as many as logics for every questions. Just think on the process how you are going to proceed. It should be a correct one and it should be a logical one. So if you find out any logic, just try it that each and every number will follow that, and then find out the answer in the same way. So don't stick to just one method. You can go for any method. Moving ahead, we have 8 threes are 24, right? 24 threes are is 72. 72 threes are is 216. So to find out the answer, what we need to do is multiply 216 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 2s are 6. What will be our answer? 648. Yes, you got it. Now, how to think that by which number is it multiplying? Can you see the first number 6 and 24? Forget the rest of the number. What you can do is 6 and 24. Do you know where this 24 comes in the table of 6? Yes, you know, it's 4. Now check the next number. Whether if we multiply 24 by 4, do we get 96? 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, when we are multiplying 24 by 4, we are getting 96. Similarly, if we multiply 96 by 4, we get 384. So, in order to find out the answer, what we need to do? Yes, multiply 384 by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33, 3 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. This will be our answer. Now remember, reasoning is not only about the finding the logics, but also to think logically and calculatively. You need to work upon your calculations also to improve in your knowledge for knowing the patterns. You can quickly guess the numbers if your mental calculation is strong. So this will help you to enhance your mental ability skills also. So work upon the calculations. Don't be afraid to solve questions. Just give it a try and do it. Okay? Let's move ahead. Let's quickly proceed to the next question. Now see, this is a pattern. Now, if I divide it by 10, what will I get? 19,000. If I divide it by 10, what will I get? 1900. So, solving this, what will be our answer? 19. Yes, this was an easier one, and now I think everyone is getting it. Let's try out next one. Oh, so many zeros in the next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? 40 lakh. What is this? 40,000. What is this? Only 400. Oh my god. So what will be our answer? Let's try out. How many zeros are there? 6, right? And how many zeros are there in this? Only 4. That means difference of 2 zeros. That means if we divide it by 100, what we get? 40,000. Again, if I cancel 2 zeros, what will I get? 400. Again, we are dividing it by 100. Now, in order to find out the answer, what we have to do? Divide it by 100 or cancel the 2 zeros. Your answer will be 4. Yes, you got it. Let's move ahead. Now see, in the next question, 630, 540, 450, 360. If you cannot find any other logic, just start by the basic approach, which is taking the difference. But here, if you think something, if I remove zeros, can you see? This is a table of 9. Do you know the table of 9? It should quickly strike in your mind. See, this is 9 7s are 63. This is 9 6s are 54. This is 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36. So what should be here? 9 3s are 27 and a 0, because we have zeros also at the end of each and every number. Okay. Now the last question, which is written as 720, 360, 180. Can you find out? Let me explain. See, if you divide 720 by 2, or simply if you half this number, what will you get? You will get 360. Again, if you divide 360 by 2, you will get 180. So in order to find out the answer, what you need to do? Divide it by 2, and which is very easy. It will be 2 9s are 80, 2 zeros are 0. Your answer will be 90. Very good. That's all for today. I hope everyone has solved the previous worksheet which was uploaded on the school app. Today also I'll be uploading the previous worksheet's answer, and also I'll be uploading a new worksheet for you to carry out some logical questions. Again, the pattern will be same. You have to solve the worksheet and you have to select the correct answers. For this worksheet also, answer will be uploaded the next day. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the doubt session. Okay, whenever we will be conducting the doubt session, you can send it to me. Thank you all for listening. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.